Today I'm here to tell you about a new product that ourselves Carbonwurks can offer for your i3, and it comes in the way of a new steering wheel upgrade. It's not a part that you can get from BMW, but a new product in our catalogue that we can offer you guys. Sam's going to get underway taking the old one off, and I'm going to talk to you about the options that we can offer. So Sam's got underway taking the old steering wheel off, which is actually my i3, and I thought I'd show you some of the options and talk through what we can do with these wheels. So this particular one that I've gone for is a Alcantara version. So normally you have the plastic insert into the wheel itself, which, although it's a nice feature line, it can make it look a little bit cheap, certainly in our opinions anyway. So we've removed that. We've gone for a very slightly thicker grip as well because it's too spindly. I'm not saying that I've got particularly big hands, but you'll know what I mean. If you've been holding onto the i3 steering wheel, it can feel a little bit delicate. So we've padded that out, got rid of the middle sort of trim that's in plastic. And in this particular wheel, we've gone with a dark grey Alcantara. So we actually offer a couple different colours, which is selectable on our website. And also you can have a few different options with the stitching colours as well. So again, can be selected on our website. This particular wheel, just to showcase, does have the wheel buttons and controls actually installed, just to give you an idea of what it would look like. It wouldn't come with that. However, you can obviously reuse that from your original wheel. So we offer these as an exchange, but if you want to, you can keep your original wheel as well. So if you were to purchase this on our website, you do have the option of keeping your original one, or if you wanted to send back for a rebate, that is also something we can do. So there's a few different options, as I said, with the colorways and materials. The other option is we do, although this is Alcantara, we do also offer a smooth black leather steering wheel as well. We don't offer a perforated leather, although it could technically be possible. We personally don't think it would suit the rest of the car because there's not really many other perforations on an i3. So both of these options, whether it's in leather or in Alcantara, are available on our website, so have a little bit of a look there. Generally speaking, we don't hold all of these options on the shelf because otherwise we'd have about 15-20 different wheels, but the turnaround's very quick, so within a couple of weeks you would have your new wheel in your hands ready to install. If you do want to exchange it, then we just ask that you get your old one returned to us within 10 working days, and we can also give you money back for your original. So you'll reuse your original cowling and buttons, but otherwise you'll get your new steering wheel ready to go, and as soon as it's dropped off in the door, you can install it in the car. So anyway, enough about me talking about this particular wheel. I can't wait to see what it looks like on the car. It's going to look great with the dark grey Alcantara and the nice silver grey stitching as well. So let's get this one on the car and see what it looks like. So the new wheel is installed, and well, I think it looks absolutely amazing. I'll be interested to see what you guys at home think. So obviously this is an Alcantara wheel versus, okay, leather on the rest of the car, but one in winter, which it is right now, it's really nice and warm. There's no heated steering wheel option on this, so it's quite a nice little soft steering wheel to feel on those cold mornings. But if you compare that against an original wheel, this isn't the one that came off the car, this is actually a spare one. The difference is massive, isn't it? This just looks old, tired. It doesn't really, it's not in keeping with the rest of the i3. The i3 is quite a modern car in many ways, although it's not been produced for a little while and it's been designed, you know, over 10 years ago. It's still a very sort of futuristic looking car. So having that old steering wheel to me just looks a bit tired. So yeah, fantastic. Really happy with that. Drives really nicely. It's a little bit thicker, so it gives you a bit more sort of feel when you're driving, a bit more sort of stability, and yeah, it just feels a bit more comfortable rather than the spindly one, which I always found a bit too small for my hands anyway. So
really happy with that. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video and have enjoyed this new product. As said, if it is something you're interested in, then you can purchase it directly off our website. And if you've got any inquiries or questions, or you want to change up the specs slightly, and maybe we haven't got something on the website that maybe you personally would like, just give us an email. We're very friendly. We'll get back in touch soon. But thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.